Hi there. Welcome to Garden Soil Analysis Lab, Part 1. This is the setup. Remember, you're going to get dirty. Plan ahead. So assemble all your equipment before you begin your lab. You're going to need the clear plastic bottle with a cap, the soil sample from your garden, a paper plate or something to put your soil on, separate container of clean water, and an optional magnifier. Don't get that soil sample yet. I'm going to show you how to get it. You'll want a piece of paper so that you can write down the answers to this lab as we go. Here are my lab supplies all set up to begin. Scrape away the mulch. You'll see that Lizzie's done that for me, and she's also digging really far down into the earth. I don't have any potting soil in my herb garden, but I do have lots of different colors. Include some of all the different colors. Put your soil sample on the paper plate, and then let's get to work analyzing those questions. Where did I get the soil? You can see where I got mine here. Predict what kind of soil you're going to have. I think I might be having topsoil and subsoil in my sample. What is the moisture level of your soil? Mine was pretty wet. We've been having so much rain. It was very cold. Is there any organic material? Well, I had lots of organic material, but not this organic. It was fun. How does your soil feel? I was able to make a clump of my soil. Did not fall apart right away. It was very clumpy, not crumbly. But what is yours like? Now you're going to describe the texture and composition of your soil. Use all the different colors. You should list them all here. And each different color is going to have a different feel and size. Please put that in your organizer as well. Now fill the bottle with soil. This is the fun part. You're going to fill it about 1/2 to 2/3 full of soil, and you can see mine is completed right there. I tried to keep my mess contained. Almost hard to see the pollen from the soil, isn't it? Fill the bottle with water. Leave about 2 inches of 2 centimeters of air at the top so you can shake it up. Tighten the cap. This is super important. Tighten as much as you can, and then shake, 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 shake until all the water and soil are thoroughly mixed. You can see mine's done over there. There's no soil on the bottom that is not mixed with water. That's really important. Then I want you to place this in a protected area where it will not be knocked over. We will need to have it rest for 3 to 4 weeks, and we will come back to it, make sure it's labeled so everybody knows this is a very important thing and not to mess with it. And be reflective and enjoy my garden. See you later, boys and girls.